certainly are, Clive, and I'm really looking forward to this one. It is an opportunity for those guys to really lay down a benchmark to the manager and show them what they can do and show them that they are capable of playing top-class international football.
They go for each other's throats, or we're going to have a cagey opening. We're about to find out. They do like to use the full width of the field, but he picks someone out, and that's tamely into the hands of the keeper. Rosales. Rincon. Always a bit more space to be found out wide. Jose Rondon. Mariappa. McAnuff. Austin. Could be dangerous. Hefty clearance. Got the big defenders forward. No-nonsense fashion. Has he found someone? They'll have to make do with a corner. Throw-in. Rincon. that'll stretch them. That's a fine crossfield pass. Easily cut out. The pass was telegraphed. Back enough. Now, can they make the most of possession? Rondon. Guerra. Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. Destroyed his luck. Oh, it's there! One end one moment, the other end the next. Fast, fleet-footed, breakaway football.
Yeah, great bit of individual skill there. That really is brilliant football.
Here's the replay, Andy. This will be interesting. Underway once more. Scores 1-0. Back enough. Rosales. Here's Carondo. Barnes. Now Watson returns it to him. Mariappa. Possession changing hands here. Austin. Can they get to it? They can let it go for a goal kick. Switching the play to the other flag. Referee has given the free kick. Is that it, or will he book him? Rincon. Nice football. Keeper offered himself there. Here's Carondo. Austin. Genuine chance. Oh, and he's missed the chance to get his team right back into this game. Using the full width of the field here. Calls a foul. Possibility for a cross here. Throw in is the verdict. Not wasting any time over the throw. Guerra. Rincon. Still a touch on. Managed to block it. Not the goal would give them breathing space. They've got a corner. Not clear though. Out for a throw. Rondon. Alert defending, that could have been dangerous. Watson. Now Morgan. Austin. There's only one ball out there, and only one team can get it at them. Oh, that's a pity. There were possibilities there, but they've been called back for offside. Rincon. Rosales. Mistime tackle, free kick conceded to Jamaica. Keeper has it there. Austin. Barnes. McCleary. Nice effort. Oh yes, there's the equaliser. Keeper on earth could have reached that, brushed the crossbar, I think.
Ooh, just for a minute, I thought that one was going to go over, just in under the bar.
Worth another look, Andy, another angle. Nothing between them. It's now 1-1. Needs to keep possession here. Austin. Genuine chance. Oh, that's a really good save. They do a lot of work on these. Off the keeper. opponents to answer. It's very nearly half-time.
You don't say them, Clive, not up there. That one's just in under the crossbar.
The sort of goal you can watch over and over again, isn't it? That goal makes it 2-1 here. Morgan. Lawrence. Half-time, and it's competitive enough, little in it. The managers wanted the result to matter in this match, and the result could go either way.
You know, whenever there's just one goal in it, Clive, the game is never done and dusted. So let's see what happens. I still think there's a good game here.
One or two questions will have been asked by the managers during half-time. We're underway again. Mariappa. Floated in. Great vision that, one wing to the other. Rondon. It's a chance. Mariappa. Watson. Looks a good one. Oh, nearly crept in.
I'm sure he'll be disappointed he never added to his tally there, Clive, but he keeps getting in good positions, this player. That's why he keeps scoring goals.
Jose Rondon. Rosales. Rondon. There's a man free. No threat to the keeper. Goal kick.
Substitution taking place. Going on is Samba.
Mariappa. Here's Watson. Austin. He can get the ball in if he wants. Looks a good one. Keeper reached it, ball's still there. So there'll be a throw. Angel. Rosales. Guerra. Unable to keep hold of the ball. Lawrence. Back enough. Nicely worked. McCleary. Mariappa. Throw-in has been signalled.
Play has stopped for a substitution. There are now
Chance for the manager to change something in here. He's told the substitute what he wants him to do. McCleary. Can someone reach it? Lost the ball here. Deciding to go back to his keeper. Rosales. Rondon. Rosales. Rincon. Martinez. Credit the keeper. Made sure he held on to it. That will be a throw-in.
substitution taking place.
Manager has briefed the substitute. Let's see what he's asked him to do here. Rincon. Keeper's there. Well, they're having quite a contest.
That's a miss for him, isn't it? That's a lovely little battle going on between the goalkeeper and that player.
Barnes. Can't afford to lose the ball like that. Rosales. They've got men forward here. Rosales. Not short of options here, quite a few up. Jose Rondon. Throw in. Intercepted well, read his opponent's mind there. Throw in. Back enough. Alert defending. They could have been opened up there. Rosales. There's a chance here. Oh, the chance goes begging, and still they trail. Is Carondo. Rondon. Saw the danger, snuffed it out, intercepted well. Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. It's a clear chance. Oh, well, we know he can score, not this time, though.
Well, he's playing well, Clive. He's already hit the target. You'd have fancied him there.
We have a substitution here. The manager is trying something new, looking to settle things down and keep the lead. My watch says we have only 3 more minutes to go. Play's been stopped. Offside, I think. Yeah, there's a flag up.
He's not going to get in behind this back four with runs like that, Clive.
Someone. Oh, this is a chance. If he's going to shoot, he's got to do better than that.
That was poor. It's vital they take care. What a waste.
Controlling the whole game. They haven't given up, they're not out of this yet, but this may be their last chance to force an equaliser. Here's Carondo. They'll enjoy that. Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. He's tried his luck. Oh, it's there! McCleary. Nice effort. Oh, yes, there's the equaliser. It's a genuine chance. Oh, that's a really good save.